Hello everyone, I'm Kanchan from JSW Migration team and I have with me Parth, Hitesh and Nitin, and we are targeting the integration of JCMA with Slack in this Shipit. So basically just to give the context, JCMA is a Jira Cloud Migration Assistant, which is a plugin which helps us to migrate the data from Jira server to cloud. And in the flow, we get the state we are targeting on basically integrating the process of migration tracking with Slack so that the customers can easily and efficiently get the status of the long running JCMA task on the mobile phone itself on the Slack. They don't need to go back to the JCMA dashboard screen to review the progress of the migration. And how are we trying to solve this? We are subscribing the user to a specific migration plan so that they can track and receive the regular updates on the progress of migration. And it will show the migration status of various different entities. It will be especially beneficial when the migration takes place for a long duration, and it will allow the customers to easily subscribe to plan and track the process from Slack on their mobile phones itself. So it will make the life easier for customers, and it will definitely create a big impact for our medium large customers for whom the migration goes for days, and it will improve the accessibility and experience for migration tracking process. And now Parth will show the demo of this. Over to you, Parth.
Yeah, thank you so much, Kanchan. So we have created a dummy migration subscribe to the migration board. So we have directly integrated the plugin updates with our board feature. So in that case, like I can copy the plan name, which we can find over here. So simply we can have the subscribe command, and we can do the subscription for the plan name. So once the plan name will be subscribed, we'll be receiving a message from the migration board and that the subscription for this plan was successful. Now going back and while clicking on the run button, it will trigger a migration where after the initial checks, it will, as we can see, the users and groups have been started to get exported. So we can see the export of the users and group got completed with a success. And now the JCMA plugin is trying to import that on the cloud side. So we can see it got successfully completed for the users and groups, which can be seen reflected on the backend side of the UI, that the user and groups has been completed successfully. Now we can see it has started to run the projects for the export phase. So as soon as the project get exported from the server side, we'll be receiving the status that the project 1 and 2 got completed exporting successfully. And as they will be migrated completely on the cloud, we'll be receiving the updates along with the project update that how many projects got completed. So we can see that the project 2 was successfully migrated. Third project even got completed, and we can see the project tracking as well, that 2 out of 3 projects are completely migrated. And now we'll be proceeding with the cross project data and the attachments. Once that is being done, we'll be receiving the migration got completed. And because of the failure of migrating the project 1 due to certain errors, the overall migration status will be incomplete, which we can see over here.